Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. In this video, my client is just getting a very basic regular haircut. It is the most regular haircut that you could possibly imagine with a little bit of shear work on top. This is a real life client in a real life barbershop situation, and I'm gonna be explaining everything as I go along. Okay guys, so likes, shares, and comments, all of that stuff, you know me, you know I welcome that because it helps the video gain traction so that other people can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to establish the guideline. To do this, attach a number 1 guard with the blade closed. For the remainder of this blend, I'll be using the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a number 8 guard with the blade closed. With this guard, you're going to move straight up and out. Attach a 7 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and then repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat the same step. Attach a 3-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 2-guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section without cutting into the hair at the top of the blend. Close the blade, then repeat. Attach a 1-guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. In just a few strokes, the line should be gone. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the Monster 99 by Caliber. The next step is to clean up your work with a straight razor. The next step is to remove some weight from the top of the hair while also adding a bit of texture. If your basic haircut looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. All of my clippers and trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use my discount code 555.